And make sure your mouth's open. Like do this because it will echo.
Knuckles?
Not the knuckles.
Oh. I'll do it.
No, he's gonna
I'm
twist.
stepping. You're not stepping on my back.
Get recording.
Oh, I've been.
You been?
Shh.
Good. How am I supposed to work in this area?
Shut up.
Mouth open.
Oh!
Oh, it was so bad.
That was good.
Mine was so much
Ben,
better.
back crack?
I don't think the back would crack because it has a little longer of a reset time, but the neck maybe.